Yo, what's good everybody? It's me, Connor, back here with another video. And today is episode 3 of the full audio rebuild series. This is the current setup right now. Yes, I know I've been taking everything apart, so that's why it's all messy. But this is our starting point. So this is kind of how I'm going to lay it out. But with wood, you'll see what I'm going to do. But I'm going to have the batteries in the middle and the amps on the sides. Obviously, I'm going to get new amps. Just got to work up to that because amps are fucking expensive now. So I went to Home Depot, picked up a 4x8 sheet, had them cut it just to make my life a little easier. 58 inches wide, 44 inches long, and that's going to be our base. So I took the center console out, the 2 front seats, the back seats were already out, but I'm going to bring the wood over and show y'all. Basically, it's gonna sit just like this. Then this, I'm gonna put this up here and build it out so that it sits straight up. But I can also close the door like so, and then it's gonna sit up like this. My center console is gonna come right there. So the battery died on this. It doesn't even want to run. It runs on and off as I was cutting the other ones, so now let's cut these ones with this 7 inches. I put a support on that side, on this side, each corner, and in the middle. Obviously, I'm gonna put more supports, but there's no support in the middle at the moment, and I can put my full body weight on it. And it's not bending or anything. So this is gonna work out really nice. Okay, so now I am cutting 3 inches deep for each side, as you can see. Now I just gotta finish cutting these 2 sides and we should be good. So I'll time lapse it for you guys. There you go. There's now a hole in the wood. Take your sand. So now, take the tape measure. We're gonna measure the length of this. So now we gotta screw the supports back in to see. Everything is in. As you can see, there's a big hole here now because I'm going to frame this out on the inside, drop it down, put a floor, and this is where all my amps are gonna go. And then from here, or here, up, is gonna be a speaker wall. So now, gotta do a little bit more measurements. Next cut is now gonna be 53 inches wide and two 5.5 inch increments. So let's we got the two flat pieces. Now we gotta sand these down. Looks pretty good. Need to do a couple supports, but not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. So I had them cut this piece of wood at Home Depot. They didn't cut it straight, one. And two, they cut it too short when I asked them to cut it 40 or 24 inches this way, 50 something inches this way. But let me go get the other piece and see if you wrote the X on the wrong piece. So I had to work with what I had. It's a little higher here and here because this fucking thing is weird as hell. But it works. It's one solid piece. And now this is where all my amps are gonna sit, in here. Just gotta figure out how I wanna maneuver them and place them because I am gonna get different amps. So this is basically how it's gonna look. 3 here, 2 here, and I'm probably gonna put batteries or wires or something in the middle. And then, yeah. I'm gonna end this video here. You guys gotta stay tuned to the next couple videos if you want to see this fully be done, put in the truck, and all that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe,
hit the post notifications button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.